It's very hard to do well academically if you're disorganised. Perhaps a child always forgets to do their homework, or even worse, they do it but lose it or forget to hand it in. Preparing for exams requires a lot of discipline and organisation. So even if a child is gifted, they can really do badly at school because of their lack of organisational skills. Personally, I'm very disorganised and I rely heavily on technology. I use trackers to find things, automatic backups so I don't lose stuff, reminders to prompt me to do stuff, and calendar entries just to help me be more organised. So lots of technology exists. Most of it is more suitable for students in senior school and up, but there are just a few solutions that are appropriate for younger students too. So in this section, I'm going to explore all the different technologies that are available to help be more organised. I do hope you found this video useful. Please share it with anyone you know who could benefit. I'd be very grateful if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as doing so really helps others find this information. If you hit the bell button once you've subscribed, you'll be notified when I create new videos. I've produced some comprehensive free resources to help dyslexics achieve. Details on how to download them are below. Let's work together to help all learners achieve.